Alright, moving along. We are moving right along here. Alright, what if I had log base 2 times, let's see, 4. What would this possibly be equal to, besides if you just, typed it into your calculator? Well, let's say that it's equal to y. Let's see if we can figure this out from there. I can rewrite this, or we can do it this way. So we could say 2 to the y is equal to 4. And of course, y is equal to 2 then, right? 2 squared is 4. Okay? So that's one way of looking at that, on how to figure out what is this equal to. Another way is, if we were to write it like this, whoa, that's supposed to be a 2 there, not a z, squared. Alright? So if you notice, if the base is equal to this number here, boy, let me rewrite this. Log with a base 2 of 2, and this 2 here is raised to the second power, okay, is equal to y. And I'm going to rewrite this again back into exponential form. 2 to the y is equal to 2 squared. Now, in the very beginning of this section on logarithms, we worked some exponential equations, and when the bases were the same, you would just set the exponent equal. Therefore, y would be equal to 2, as you can see in this problem. Now, if this number and this number are the same number, then it's just going to be the power is going to be your answer. Alright. But what if we had something like log, let's say base 6 of 35. Alright, there's not a way really to write that, and so we're going to use what's called the change of base. The change of base, and there's a change of base formula actually. And how would we evaluate this in a calculator? Well, the way we would do this is we would just break this up, log of 35 over log of base 6. Okay? So as you can see, log base 10 of 6. When we don't write anything here, remember it has base 10. Okay? So we could actually type this into the calculator now and actually get a number. Now, what needs to be known about this is what if I was wanting to graph this guy right here? I wanted to graph this. Well, in most algebraic systems, this won't graph, or in most calculators that I'm aware of anyway. But you would just simply break this up, log base x over, I'm sorry, I keep saying log base x, log of x and log of 6. Alright, then you can graph this. Type in log of x over log of 6, and now you can graph this. Okay, so this is known as change of base, is what this is called, change of base. Okay, so that's extremely important to be able to do that. Let's say that we had, I wanted to simplify 6 log, this is up in the exponent here, log with a base 6 of 2. What in the world is that equal to? We'll say it's equal to y, but I want to write this back into exponential form so you can see this. Okay, so this ends up becoming what? Right, so it's in exponential form when we want to write it in a log form. Alright, so this would end up becoming log 6 is the base of y is equal to log 6 of 2, and therefore we'd end up just getting y is equal to 2.